Hi friends, how are you all? Today I started my vlog in the afternoon. You can see I think it's almost 3:45. Yeah, the time is 3:45 as you can see. It's quite sunny outside today. My cooking is done. I've been sharing my cooking videos for quite some time. I hope you're seeing all of them. But today I'm going to share with you something. It's quite sunny. Today I'm going to share with you something. Yesterday what happened, my husband was going for a walk as usual at 5:30. Now the apartment lift hasn't been working for quite some time. The mechanic comes, he repairs and everything. Yesterday, accidentally, he got stuck inside the lift. Oh my goodness, it was a hell lot of a time. He was inside the lift for almost half an hour, approximately. He pressed the alarm bell. It couldn't be heard by the security people, down. I was there inside my hall sitting, doing my work, and he started banging, banging, banging. I thought, who was inside it? So much of noise. Then I found out it was my husband. He got stuck inside the lift. And he was saying, I got stuck. The lift is not moving up, not going down. Then I went downstairs to call the security people. Three security people. They were all, not good. Not good in the sense of good very in their behavior and conduct, but not in this type of work. They came, they tried to open it with the key, on the top of the lift. They couldn't do it, anything. Then they tried to call the mechanic. The mechanic said, I will take almost 15 to 20 minutes to come. He came and then they did something. And of course, my husband was finally rescued. He came out from the lift and he was panicking like anything. Even I was panicking so much. I got so scared. Half an hour, just imagine, inside the lift. Of course, the fans and the lights were on. But the thing is that, it was giving me a lot of tension if something happened. Of course, there's oxygen and everything, but half an hour inside the lift is too much. Even I got just stuck twice or thrice. But I just opened the door and I just came out. But in this case, yesterday in my husband's case, the door was not opening at all. And there wasn't any gap also. So it gave a lot of panic attack. It's almost 6:30 now. And it's time for me to go for a walk. Outside is still dark. See? But lovely morning, isn't it? It's absolutely lovely. It's beautiful morning, as you can see. I can't see the sun yet. It's 6:45. I took my shower first and then came out for a walk because it's winters, I take my shower in the morning itself. There's no question of sweating. So, yeah, this is my society where I live. I don't go out much because there's so much of traffic. Maybe not in the early morning. But the roads are very dusty and ups and downs, so I don't take walk outside much. Within the society only I'm taking walk. This is a small temple inside the society. You can see the Ganesh idol. So nice, isn't it? These are my vegetables which have come from Big Basket. I ordered them last evening. Vegetables are quite fresh actually and very reasonable in price. Generally I go to normal grocery stores or vegetable market which are just close to my building. But this time I ordered from Big Basket to see the quality of the vegetables. They're quite good, isn't it? Came back from my walk. It's almost 7:30. I did half an hour walking, that's all. I can't walk much. Because, I had a fracture in my knee 6 years ago. So that still pains. So my fruit basket has come, you can see. Fruits. These are fruits and vegetables because oranges also I took. And now it's time for me to make breakfast. I'll make breakfast which I've already shown in the video. That is upma. My breakfast is ready. So this is upma which I've made with a lot of vegetables, capsicum and cauliflower and a little bit of potato and onion, that's all. This is red spinach which is called Aramanthus, and this one is my katla fish which I'm going to fry with turmeric and salt and then put it in gravy. So this will be my lunch today. Not mine, actually ours lunch, my family, my husband and my daughters. My oil is already hot, you can see in the wok. Now in this mustard oil I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric powder. And then I'm going to fry my fish which I've already marinated with salt. And on this side I have done my red spinach which is called Amaranthus. It's not Aramanthus but it's Amaranthus. And here the fish is getting fried. Now let me find out the condition of the fish. I have already fried my fish and my spices are getting ready now. Now you can see my fish. These I have already fried with this turmeric powder and salt. And here my spices are getting ready. It's only onion, tomato, ginger and 2 green chili pasted together. And with that I have put turmeric powder, salt, a little bit of coriander powder. That's all. Now this takes a little time, as I said. It requires a lot of patience and time because you have to stir these spices for quite some time. Now once this is done, I'm going to put hot water, little bit, not much. And then I'm going to add these fish. There are 5-6 pieces along with the tail. We eat tails, fish tail. So I'm going to add this fish now, one by one. And cover it for 5 minutes and allow it to cook. Now I have put potatoes also, as you can see. Potatoes are there. I'm very fond of potatoes. So this potato needs to cook. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then after that I'll put the fish, give a little bit of coriander or some leaves and then turn the gas off. That's all. Finished my lunch at 2:30. Now we are going out. So I need to buy a few things. I'll tell you where. I started my vlog yesterday, so today I need to end it. Let's see. We have called Uber. It will take another maybe 5-7 minutes to come. I'm not sure. So we just got ready and waiting for that Uber to come. Yeah, yesterday the lift got repaired after that incident took place, but I'm not going to take the lift. I'm going to take my, as usual, staircases. I find it a little hard to, climb up and down the stairs, but still, I'll prefer to do that. So we have come to Big Bazaar, which is very close actually, 15 minutes from my house. So today being a weekend, Saturday, so We are going to spend some time and I need to buy few things from here. That's why I came. This is the ground floor of Big Bazaar, where you get all those vegetables and snacks section. It's huge. Now we are heading towards home. Everything is done. Shopping is complete. So we are now going home. There are a few stairs. I need to be very careful now. Otherwise I'll trip and fall.
करके आके इसको इधर ही जाना है ना।